Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have just added a layer of Meeden paint, which is quite wet, to this canvas. And I'm thinking of adding a puddle along the center and then scooping up my leftover paints, which consist of, wow, there was a marble stuck to my shovel, which consist of Decorated Americana 24 karat gold, a little fiery red from Arteza, a little metallic red from Decorated Americana, a little fluorescent or neon pink from Folk Art, a little color shifting red from Folk Art, a little magenta, a little tiny bit of black, a little tiny bit of white metallic from Anita's, and I see that I have just sprinkled a little bit of that on my canvas, but I think it'll be alright. This is some Sargent's Yellow that I was gifted, and then I added a little tiny bit of Orange Unicorn Spit, which is a wood stain and stains a lot of things. It's pretty strong. And last but not least, the Hot Orchid from Color Art. Lots of that. I don't know how this is going to go, but I know how it's going to start. And it's going to start with that black paint and this shovel. So I'm going to take my Meeden paint and I'm going to see how much, whoa, I forgot how heavy that was. Alright, well, I'm going to put one line of the heavy stuff, which is way too heavy. I'm going to move that away, so I put some Floetrol in there. I tried to excavate the bottom of my jug yesterday, and evidently the mix I made up was not heavy enough. But this is got a little more Floetrol in it, and maybe they'll affect each other in a good way. Let's see what happens when I tip them. Yeah, they'll move. That's a good thing. And then the next paint I add will help move it too. And it's pretty even. It's kind of like a big black slug. Let's go down a little bit. Let's hit that really quick with a torch to release the bubbles out of the paint. Take my paint. Oh, I wanted to leave some of that behind. Okay, never mind. I did. It's on the shovel. So let's move that down, because these are great colors. I should have waggled my stroke, but I didn't waggle my puddles, so I don't see what the point was. I have Amsterdam Black Cell Activator with Australian Floetrol in it, and it's the potential is that it's going to become useful soon. But I'm going to just keep moving this stripe of paint that's gorgeous around and see what happens, because I'm really interested in something simple, at least for the moment, till I'm so fickle. Until I find a better idea anyway. I do want that white spot to go away. I could use an edge catcher to stop paint from rolling, but I think I'm just gonna cheat with my finger for right now and let it keep right on spreading out, which is working for me. And then I have to decide what, when, where, how, who. Then I have to decide if I'm going to swipe or smear and where. I do see some cells developing. I do not have enough paint on this end, and that's easily remedied by putting some on that end. I don't mind if it's a little uneven. I definitely have some beautiful cells. I think what I want to do is weird. is take some of my residuals, put them right up there. For right now, I did plug my airbrush in, so get your ears ready. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to use some of my Australian cell activator and see what happens when I blow out a little stripe. Ready? It looks like the other side of a river. Me. Not enough pink. Not enough pink, but it's still kind of a cool idea. I'm not done with that idea yet. So I'm just going to take some gold. And since I said I wanted pink, I'm going to use pink. This is the hot orchid again. And then I'm going to grab one of my little tools, hopefully, that I just cleaned, the little one. Put some black in my dish. Keep putting some black on the little tool. I have a video where you can make these tools out of acetate and bamboo skewers and some clear duct tape. And if you can't find the link, please just ask me. I'll give it to you. I have it saved where it's easily accessible. I want some orange. No, if I'm going to do that, I'll do that somewhere else. I don't know if I want to keep that black line or not. It separates them, but I kind of, until I decide, I'm good with it where it is. I'm going to wipe off that paint. Keep grabbing some cell activator. I didn't use any of the white Amsterdam cell activator. The recipe for this, for my paint pouring recipe and the cell activator, are both below Show More underneath the video. I am just sort of digging in and making marks and spreading colors that I like into other colors that I like. Leaving little tendrils behind. Stealing some paint off the tool. Not really stealing. Utilizing. When I have it on the edge of the tool, I can do something pretty cool with it. So that should have been trees, I think. It's basically just another one of my recent series of textural, it's not really escape, textural compositions. And just more art therapy on a day that was kind of tough. I went to my website and my Instagram feed was gone. And no matter what I did, for an hour, all I could find was a place to have a business Instagram. And I don't want a business Instagram. Sorry, Facebook. I'm really tempted to put some of... Boy, why am I so tempted? Put some of the Anita's White Metallic with pink in it. I just want to try it. It doesn't do a whole lot. It does something. Lightens it up a little bit, I guess. So that's okay. Makes me want orange on this other side. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. Orange and Gold. I really want to put some purple in there. That would be kind of wild, wouldn't it? I think I'm going to use a different swipe card. And if I'm not going to do purple, am I going to do purple? Maybe I will. No, it's blocked. Did that ever stop me before? No. Okay, we're going to take a moment. Stick one of the sharp pointy. If you make these tools, keep a few with the sharp end of the skewer on them, because they're great for cleaning things out. Bottle tips especially. Do I actually see through that? No, I don't. I'm really tempted to go on this other side and add some of my purple. Because I can, sort of thing. Doesn't have to make sense to anybody but me, does it? I'm not sure this is going to work. That's my only issue. If I swipe this, I'm going to dip a card into the Aussie Floetrol. Actually, I'm going to grab one of the ones that I made that's round on the end. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty cool. I'm happy. I have black on the wrong side, which is actually kind of convenient right at this exact second. I'm going to pull this down for a moment and scrape off my card on my edge, because I don't like to waste paint, and I've got it to get rid of anyway. So it's another weird little escape tile nonsensical composition. I love the purple. Made some blue over here with the black. That's pretty awesome. And somewhat unexpected too. Now I should do something with that on the other side, but do I really want to? Maybe I need to put the same orange. I just stole some paint out of my pan to cover my edge from my last painting. So, gold. Gotta lift up and stop that little trail. The little, I call them mouse tails. Come on, out you come. For some reason it's making me want to use some Venetian blue, but I'm afraid that I'm going to get pretty close to, yeah, I got 2 minutes left. So I should tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. I'm going to use, because I like the blue effect that I saw, I'm going to actually put some in here. Just here, there, and everywhere. And use a skewer. to integrate it a little bit. Just good colors. Not sure about this big gap in the center there, but it doesn't have to stay there either. Could get filled in a little bit. So a lot of the times when I'm doing these abstract designs, I see things that I think would look great added to a landscape or seascape or something similar. I'm a little concerned about this black line here and a little concerned about that one there. That one I know I can do something about. Just by choosing to move some of that paint. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2000 videos, and hopefully, if you're interested in helping support the studio's production videos, you can check out the prizes for the monthly drawing that you would get to be included in automatically should you happen to make a donation through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Yep, I'm liking all of that. What do I do about this? Do I put gold dots in there? And if I do that, am I going to do it out of a little pan, which would be so much smarter than when I did this the last time? Well, let's try it. I've got 2 minutes to tell you the rest of what I'm supposed to tell you. But I've been kind of dot crazy recently. And I think I'm going to call it a series, so I don't need to make an excuse for it. This is not the biggest skewer. If I'd wanted to pick up more paint, I probably should have picked up a larger skewer. I need to make sure when I pick up my skewer that the little mouse tail snaps back. It doesn't drag over. So it's basically just a pattern, but it'd look pretty awesome on a pair of leggings from spring or one of my dresses from Le Gallerist. That would be cool. They have jackets and kimono tops too. Le Gallerist is the top link on the first blue link under the video is my link tree. And the clothing there is made in Montreal. The dresses are beautiful. It's a lot of selections. If I could sell some, they'd allow me to add some more designs. But it's investment quality price clothing. So I understand that it's tough for some of you. More than not, I'm sure. So those of you who can afford it, go check it out. Because they're beautiful, beautiful things. And well worth seeing. I'm wondering if I should add some dots to the other side and what color they should be, if not gold. And I'm being called the blue. Very blue. It was a blue day anyway. Very blue day. Let's try it. Let's scatter them up and down because I'm going to run out of time. And it looks like part of that black puddle is so heavy that it's probably going to swallow my blue paint if I can't avoid it. But I think I like the blue. I got 1 minute left to tell you guys what. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out and I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching longer. It's a big assistance. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations have helped keep me painting a long time. Thank you so much. I'm glad you're here. If you're looking for a video, I have over 2,100 of them. And they are easily found by going to my YouTube channel, searching playlists in that header. And all playlists, created playlists. I'll probably add a few more blue dots. It's a weird series, but it's cool. It's got some neat stuff going on. I really could have probably dragged a tool right down the middle and been pretty okay with that. I think I'm going to give myself just a little bit of pink right there and call it good. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I say bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery.